And it's funny because I told the chair classroom, I was just concerned about her students. But it's not funny. For you, Jesus, no problem. I'm never too busy for you. I will be here. Hey, Mena Lopez.
What am I doing here? What are the white properties for quadrilateral? Yeah. The top part was kind of weird, so I just like it. Because just to look at all the little... I did my homework. I did it on my study. It was 324. 324? Yeah. Really? 324? Yeah, it was different. Oh, yeah. It was 2 to 12 even. Because you have to look back to page 321. And it's theory 4.24, 4.25, and 4.26.
You gotta move. Or she got no.
Oh, that one is wrong. 22.
What did she got on?
Hi. I've been doing for like years. Where you been? Oh, you get it? Yeah,
Okay, take your homework out so I can check it while you're warming up, guys. Remember what I told you about the change? Who knows why Miss Fish never has change?
But you said you ain't got no money.
Because I have 3 kids.
I have 4.
No money.
My mama got 2.
You have some work.
Miss Fish, I need some colors.
You need one, honey? You need colors? We're going to color later. Do not let the materials distract you right now. Excellent. I'm so proud of you, Jose.
What page?
Page 324, 2 through 12 even was your homework last night.
324.
This is not your seat. You need to go to seat 15. But Malik Thomas is over here. We got a new signature.
Where's 15?
Okay, so Artemio. I saw it. You were absent. Andres has the absent folder. We did notes in the note-taking guide and homework from the note-taking.
321.
For notes. I did already put them in the board. I graded it all. Nita's is a no.
I don't got it. And she told you you watched it.
5.
Thank you.
I got you. Manolas, thank you. Kevin, awesome. What's it?
It's going good?
Malik, you're in 14.
Alright.
Oh, my God. Mechanical pencil. No problem.
Good job, Stephanie.
Yeah, that one.
So you be in school every day?
Jose, Jesse, You're in 14. Yes. And Alan, you are in... Alan is in 9. Or no, I'm sorry, you're in 17, which is right here. Good. Hey, Janicia. Wasn't here. Sorry, honey. Guys. I'm not taking that. The workbook? Okay, I'll bring it in. There's a bunch of recycled ones in the book. And Josh, no? Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go over this warm-up, then we'll go over the homework answers, okay?
Sis, did you get mine?
Alan, thanks for asking. I didn't. Oh, you were absent this evening. Or did you come in late? Oh, I marked Malik there, sorry. You weren't absent. Forget that. Hi, honey. Yesterday we talked about the properties of quadrilaterals and parallelograms. It's a hard word even for me to say. And I've said it for a long time. What are the properties of quadrilaterals?
Oh, wait, you know I can't.
No, that's a parallelogram.
Consecutive angles.
That's a parallelogram. Let's just talk about quadrilaterals right now. Quads. What do you think of when I say quadrilateral? Four what?
4 sides.
4 sides. Excellent.
Also like triangles.
Triangles have how many sides?
3.
Trace.
Squares.
Squares are a type of quadrilateral. They're a special quadrilateral. Okay, what else do we know about quadrilaterals?
They could be rectangles. Right. 90
Not
degrees.
always. Not always. What do we know about the sum of the interior angles? How do you know it's 360? What formula do you use for a polygon to find the sum of the interior angles?
N minus 2 times 1/8.
Good. And when we put 4 in there, what do we get? We get 360. Again?
Is Corey here?
She is.
1 second.
Sure. Okay. You know math is a language, right? We use symbols. A lot of symbols. It's the international language, which is, what's another international language? Love is the international language. And math is an international language, so I think math is love. Okay. Does anybody know what this symbol right here means? Looks like green. What? It's a Greek letter.
Oh, never mind.
What, honey?
It has to do with something.
It's alpha.
With some big guy. It's called a sigma.
Yeah,
And it means some. Not like some French fries, but like some, what does that sum mean? Adding it up or totaling it, right? So this is how I'm going to abbreviate this. And when you get in college and your professor's talking a mile a minute, you're going to have to write quickly. All right? So the sum of the interior angles is equal to 360. That's what you guys just told me.
What?
The sum of the interior angles. We're using this symbol instead of the word sum. Could I use another symbol here?
Equal sign.
Angle.
Oh, yeah.
I use the equals already.
What you do?
So the sum of the interior angle is equal to 360. What's the sum of the exterior angles? Every polygon, the sum of the exterior angles is the same. What is it? 360. Okay? Oh. Sorry. Okay, now we're going to talk about the properties of the parallelograms, and I was really impressed that Jesus had his notes out and he was telling me. That is a responsible student. And Deja. That's really great. Okay, tell me, Jesus, let's share the love. So you tell me one, then I'll go to Deja.
Quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel.
Both pairs
Of
of opposite sides.
parallel.
I'm going to abbreviate here because there's a lot of writing. Opposite, OPP. Ladies. Let's save it then. Although I was thinking that same. Are parallel. This is the symbol for parallel. You guys are familiar with that, right? All right, what else do we have? Opposite angles are? Excellent. Opposite angles are congruent. If I'm using symbols that are confusing to you, what are you going to do?
Ask Miss Fish.
Thank you. You need a warm-up sheet, Caleb? Okay. Opposite angles are congruent. I like where you're going. Diagonals bisect each other. Oh my gosh, good period. Diagonals bisect each other. Kayla, what's bisect mean? This is the warm-up.
Cut it down.
Nice. Kayla, thank you for throwing your voice and making it sound like a boy. Okay. Diagonals bisect each other. What else do we know about parallelograms? Oh my gosh, this is so great. Consecutive angles are what?
Supplementary.
Supplementary, which means what?
Oh,
Hey.
It's okay.
this part you got the song stuck in my head. So it's like every time you write it, I gotta sing it.
I like it. Like OPP.
Yes.
Okay, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are congruent. Diagonals bisect each other. Consecutive angles are supplementary. One more thing. Should I give you a hint?
Yeah.
Hint?
Some big hand.
Okay.
How about the answer?
It has something to do with sides.
Opposite sides are congruent.
That's what it
Opposite sides are congruent. Kayla, write this down. Opposite sides are congruent. I love it. You guys. Okay. Homework answers. Are you guys done with this?
Yes.
Are you okay with the abbreviations? It's better to write the symbols, right? I'll come and check yours. Let me show the answers and I'll check yours.
Can I write number 2?
Can you what, honey? Oops. So I think that was all the way in the first period. Okay, guys. Here's one of page 324, 2 through 12, even. There's 2, 4, and 6.
So before there's two theorems.
There are 2 different theorems you could have used. You didn't have to use both of them. But what do we know about number 4? We see that opposite sides are what? Equal or congruent. And we also see that, see the side that's 8?
Yeah.
It's not only congruent to the other side that's 8, but that little arrowhead means it's parallel.